Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can look for a system update on your Motorola Razr 4D, and for that you want to go to your settings and now you want to go all the way down to system updates, and here you can check for updates. Normally your phone does it by itself and automatically, but maybe you want to check from time to time if you have the latest update downloaded. Everything looks good for us, got it. And then we have smart updates here, so then your phone does it automatically when you turn that on. You have information about why updates matter and your update history. If you checked for updates and everything is fine, you can just go back, use your phone as normal. But if you have an update available, you want to go ahead and install it, you want to download it, your phone will then take a minute or two to shut down and start again with the new update. You don't need to worry about any of your data, none of that will be erased. You just need to remember your pins and stuff to get back in your phone. So that's how you can check for a system update on your Motorola Razr 4D. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.